If you want to draw on photos on Realme 14T, then first of all, we're gonna open the Photos app. I'm gonna use this Photos app made by Realme, and then we're gonna open the photo that we wish to draw on, and let's press Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now over here we should be able to find the markup option where we have multiple different tools that we can use in order to draw with. So for example, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to make the lines look more thicker, and of course we can change the color as well. So let's say I'm going to choose this purple one. We can also switch to ring if you need something more precise. So let's tap over here and we can now start drawing. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Let's make it even thicker. We also have this pen, highlighter, and so on and so forth. Once you are done with your drawings, we can press done in the bottom right corner, and then of course we want to save. And I'm gonna just save the copy. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.